are you able to add other investors alongside with you? So now you're maybe partnering up with a few friends and family. Can they do that?
Yeah, so like other mortgages, you can bring in a co-signer, a co-guarantor, another partner in the deal that if they bring something to the table that makes the loan better, yeah, absolutely. So one of the things that a lot of my clients do is, they do have joint ventures and they do bring in partners of experienced investors. Sometimes they're realtors that are investors, sometimes they're general contractors that are also investors. So yeah, someone with a track record, a track record of doing similar fix and flips already, with experience. What we'll do is we'll take whatever good the partner with maybe the better credit or the experience, and we'll mesh it all together to because we'll look at the whole picture. We use common sense, of course.
Mhm. And
So a experienced borrower buying the same deal or bringing in a partner that has experience doing this, yeah, it would be 90% purchase price, 100% renovation, meaning the down payment altogether at closing would be 10%, would be
wow.
50
So
grand.
that's a big difference. And I also do like the fact that you're saying even if you don't have an investor that you've worked with in the past, right? And you want to put 25 and you have to put 24% down, you're still able to bring your family and partners. You can do maybe what can we do up to three people in that, even though they're first time investors, and put 25% down?
Oh, yeah, sure, absolutely. So, yeah, now fact, a lot. We when we do these loans, we want to lend to a entity, corporation, LLC. So it's very common for an entity to have many owners. That's fine with us. Most very successful investment companies are a team of people, so that's not a problem at all.
And that's why I'm doing this event on June 12th, because I want to start partnering people together, because not everybody can do everything alone. So if you have the right connection, the right people, you can go ahead and buy a great deal versus letting the deal go because you don't have all the money. You can partner up with other people, maybe somebody that has the money, maybe someone that has the credit, maybe somebody that's done this in the past. You can partner up with those individuals. So let's go ahead and say a new investor, you're saying, okay, I have the 25% down. I have 200,000. I'm going to go ahead and move forward with this property. Do I need to have credit? Do I need to have a job? What are the deep requirements? Are you requiring me similar to a regular bank?
That's an excellent question, Rosa. And that's one of the benefits of using hard money. We underwrite different. We'll focus on the deal, and we all focus on the profitability of the deal and who's borrowing the money. So we don't underwrite and don't make a credit decision based on your debt to income ratio, like most other mortgages as well. So and as simple as I can say it, you don't need personal income. You don't need a job. You don't need to show us W-2s. You don't need pay stubs. You don't need tax returns. Um, so with that said, we're not very hypersensitive to credit, but we want decent credit. So meaning preferably, 650 and up. And also we don't want any recent credit events. So, no recent bankruptcies, no recent foreclosures. So a clean background, basically. So we're not asking for much. The deal makes sense. Close to 700 credit score, we're going to be doing business.
Wow. So all you're telling me is all we need to find people is a great deal. And if you find a great deal, you don't really need an income. You don't need to have, you're worried about your dad. All you need to have is good credit. Obviously, that 25% down if you're a new investor, possibly 10 to 15% if you're already a seasonal investor.